Zoro obviously agrees to this without a second even thought, and that is a loyal crew right there. Zoro is one of the most loyal companions to Luffy because of this. They're all loyal like that, but I don't know. Would they? Nami did. I mean, it's just, I don't know. It's a moment for sure. Okay. And Kuma leaves Thriller Bark happy that Luffy has a crew that is so dedicated to him. Returning back to Marijois, informing Sengoku and Garp of what happened, and they scold the warlord.